Welcome to Arrival Graphics. Today we'll be teaching you how to create animated video just like the one that I'm showing to you on Canva. So in this lesson we'll be learning how to create animated video. So we will start by setting up our page, and I'll go to the search bar, then search for animated video template. So when you search for animated video templates, these are the results that they will give to you. So I'm just going to work on free version. So I'm looking for one with a free version. You can also search it in terms of the color, the type of animated video, whether you want a sports one or you want a professional one, just like how I introduced them to you on Introduction to Video Editing on Canva. If you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch that video. That will make you understand this one better. So after you are done selecting the animated video that you want to work on, then you change the text. So here I'm just going to change the text. So I will highlight the text. After that I'll type my own text over there. So after you are done highlighting, then you click on the text tool. So I'll go and click on the text, then type my letters over there. So I'm typing how to become a professional graphic designer. So there are 5 easy steps that you need to follow in order to become a professional graphic designer. So here I'm done typing how to become a professional graphic designer. So what I'll be doing next is to upload my logo. So I'll delete the other one, then replace it with my own. So I'm just going to upload this logo over there. Here it seems my logo has been inserted into the PC because there is a square frame in the PC. So you can insert a picture into the PC or a video into the PC. That's why when I try to carry my logo, it just inserted into the PC. So I'll just undo my work, then do it again. So that is how it works. So I'm done reducing the size of my logo. I'll delete this text, then type my own over there. So I'll type Arrival Graphics. I'll change each of the text. So after that I'll play the video and see how it will be. So I'm done changing the text. So this is the front page. So I'll play the video and see how it will be. So here you could see my video is being animated. So I'm moving to the other one, which is the step 1. So the one that I did was just the introduction. So I'm just going to work. I'm going to upload a video into the PC. as I said earlier on, that there is a video frame inside the PC, so I can clip a video into it. So here I'm going to search for video. To do that, you go to apps. So when you click on apps, then you type videos. So I'll search for videos. So I'll go back, then search for videos. But okay, I would like to finish the step 1 first before I will insert the video. So the first step that you need to consider to become a great or a professional graphic designer is self-determination. So under self-determination, they said we should write a short description explaining what this point talks about. So you just put your own point over there, or explain how self-determination can help you to become a professional graphic designer. So this one I'll just leave it blank, then move to the other one. So I just want to show you how you can make animated video. So I'll just skip those parts, then do with the video part. So I'll deal with the video part, then leave the text over there. So here I'm just going to clip a video into the PC. So I'll go to apps, then search for video. After that, I'll click on video. So here you can see they said, and they have written it over there that you can record yourself. When you click on the filter, we have free, we have pro. So if you want a pro video, you just select a pro video. If you want a free video, you just set it to free video. So here I want a free video, so I'll just clip this video into the PC. So I'll minimize the size. After that, I'll clip it into the PC. So you will see my video has now been inserted into the PC. So the video has been clipped into the PC. That is how it works. So when I play the video, you could see the video in the PC too is also playing as well. So that is how we create animated video. So I'm done with step 1. So I'm moving on to step 2. So let me play the video. So here you could see the video in the PC too is also playing as well. So under self-determination, you write a short note on that, on how it can help you to become a professional graphic designer. So I'll move on to step 2. So under step 2, the next point that I would like to highlight on is you should be creative. So to become a professional graphic designer, you should be creative. That one too, I'll leave the descriptions over there. You need to explain it in your own words how creativity can help you to become a professional designer, graphic designer. And you know that graphic design deal with creativity. So without creativity, you can't become a professional graphic designer. Always you need to think of bringing new ideas. So you should be creative. So you can't be a professional graphic designer without being a creative. So you should be creative. And I would like to add a video clip there as well. So I will search for a video on a person working on laptop, because to be a creative, always you should be busy with your laptop, always you need to try and search for new ideas. You should try and bring new things on board. Oh, that is how creativity works. You try to bring new ideas. Oh, that is how creativity works. You can't sit there idle then expect to be a creative. So under step 3, to become a professional graphic designer, you should become a problem solver. Yes, to become a professional graphic designer, you should be a problem solver. Always you need to try to solve problems. So if you are working on something and you encounter a problem, you need to analyze it, then try to bring a solution to that. So for the step 3, always as a professional graphic designer, you should always be a problem solver. So here I will search for a video on people who are trying to solve problems. So here I'll just clip this video into the PC, and then you input your own words on how solving a problem can make you become a professional graphic designer. Because always as a professional graphic designer, when you encounter any problem, you should try as much as possible to find a solution to any problem that you will encounter. Always you should try and bring new ideas on board, so that any problem at all that you face, you need to find a solution to that. So that is how a professional graphic designer works. So we are moving on to step 4. So for step 4, as a professional graphic designer, you should be always proud of yourself. You should be proud of what you are doing. You shouldn't let anything intimidate you. Yourself, and you shouldn't let whatever people will say about the work that you are doing discourage you. So always you should be proud of what you are doing. So don't let whatever people or the kind of comment that they will make about you discourage you. So always move ahead and do what is best for you. So as a professional graphic designer, you should always be proud of yourself. You shouldn't let anything discourage you. So that is how it works. So yeah, it seems I've made a mistake with the spelling of yourself. So I'll edit it. Then type it well. I have made it double F, so I have to delete one of the F. So this one too, you input your own words over there. You type your own words on how being proud of yourself can make you become a professional graphic designer. Just like what I said, you shouldn't let anything intimidate you, that this work that I'm doing is so difficult for me, so I can't continue anymore. You shouldn't let anything intimidate you. You should be proud of yourself that no matter how the thing is, you can do it. And also don't let people comment discourage you on what you are doing. Always move ahead and do what is best for you. So that can make you become a professional graphic designer. So here I will search for a video for someone who is being proud of what he or she is doing. So being proud of myself, I couldn't get a video on that, so I want to search on a video for someone who is being proud of what he or she is doing. So I'm searching a video on that. So I'll search. So yeah, I would like to choose this video. The guy with the lady, I would like to choose that one. So always you should be proud of what you are doing. So I would like to clip this video into the PC. So that is how it goes. So as a professional graphic designer, always be proud of what you are doing. You should be proud of what you are doing. So what is left next? I'll move on to step 4. Or I think I'm done with step 4. That is being proud of yourself. So I'm moving on to step 5. So step 5, to be a professional graphic. Okay, I'm not done with the step 4. So okay, I'm done. So step 5, to be a professional graphic designer. What do you think you should do to be a professional graphic designer? Step 5, I think you should build a portfolio. Or to be a professional graphic designer, you should build a portfolio. So you need to build a portfolio in order to become a professional graphic designer. So that is how it goes. So you need to build a portfolio by outlining what you will do. So any work at all that you will try your hand on it, you need to outline the work on how you will go about it by carrying your paper, your drawing, photographs, maps, and other flat documents. So always you need to outline the work that you will do. So whenever you try to bring a new idea on board or try to create new design, you need to plan on it, on how it will be. So if possible, you need to outline it how you want your design to be, so that when you are doing your design, you just go by your outline in order to make it easy for you. So anytime you are working on a work or you are trying to bring a new creative ideas, you need to outline it in order to make your work easy for you. So that is how building a portfolio can make you become a great professional graphic designer. So I'm done with all. So this is the end, and I'll just upload my logo over there, then change the name and replace it with my own. I'll replace it with my own. So I'll type Arrival Graphics. After that, I'll change the shop now, then type contact us through this website or visit our website. Then you input your website. So I'll type visit our website at www.arrivalgraphics.com or graphicsarrival.com. So visit our site at www.graphics.arrival.com. So that is how we create animated video. So I'll just type my website over there. So if you want to reach us, you need to visit our site, then get more enquiries from us. So type my website over there. www.graphicsarrival.com. So that is how it works. So right now, what is left next? I'm done with the end, so I'll just go back, then play my video rather, and see how it has been. So I'll just go and start playing my video. So I'll play it from the beginning. So this is where my video starts from. So how to become a professional graphic designer, the 5 easy steps. So step 1, self-determination. Then after the self-determination, step 2, you should be creative. So after being creative, what is the next? You need to become a professional graphic designer, a problem solver rather. So in order to become a professional graphic designer, you need to be a problem solver. Always try to solve any problem that you face. And step 4, this is what you are supposed to do. Okay, here I can also change the background for the video and then replace it with my own. So here what I'm going to do is to change the background. So to change the background, make sure you click on this background, then you press on the backspace button to delete it. So here I can't remove the watermark because it contains some pro element. So I'll just replace it with my own video. I will just delete it. Then make sure when you are deleting it, you don't delete it plus the rectangle frame. If not, you can't be able to upload your picture over there. So here I'm going to upload some images over there. So I'll just look for office backgrounds. So there are videos on that, videos on office backgrounds. So I'm looking for some, then clip it into the rectangular frame. So I'm looking for office background. Okay, here I think I'm not getting some, so let me scroll whether I'll get office background video. I'm not getting some over here, so I need to Okay, it seems there are some interesting ones over here. Okay, let me go back. So I'll just search for office. Okay, I'll go to element, then search for picture rather instead of video. So I'll search for picture, because this one that I'm setting as a background, I don't even need to play a video, because the video which has been clipped into the PC is already playing, so no need for me to set a background video as well. So I need to replace the background with a picture. So I'll just clip the picture into the rectangular frame. So here you can see my background has been changed. So I'm going to do it for the rest of the other videos. I'll change the background for all the other videos. So I'll go back, then change the one in step 1. So I'm going to change the background for step 1, and I'll go by the same process by deleting the picture. Make sure when you are deleting it, you don't delete it plus the rectangular frame. If not, your work won't make